You ready? We're gonna try peas. Try some peas. Yeah, maybe? Are they okay? Huh? Maybe they're okay. Maybe you like them. Do you like the peas? Gotcha. I guess they're all right. Just a little bit of a reaction at the beginning. Huh? Huh? Hum, num, num. Yum, yum, yum. Alright. You can stop.
I think that was a little bit too big of a spoon.
Maybe.
Mommy doesn't remember my mouth is small.